Sabran guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my office. Usisi ngibhalele ashozi. Ke tlogile mo South Africa ke kolebela green pastures. Mpotso ke grade. Potso ke grade mo o green pastures. Sisut okay, ashozi my friend beka we babiza inama uphe. Uphe ngisho. Laba abantu abagada abantwana like orkante ngabakadela abantwana babantu abaso abanemali ngali awukanti uthi awushozi umngane wami vele usebenza ngilama country lawo like lawa namakhala 3 1 2 3 iflag yakhona ngifuna ukukhuluma izinto kamagama mara nangibamba bakhuluma Dutch or isini bona lapho uthi awushozi okay umngane wami bebamhostile ngali beba ayasebenza ngale so lo mama omhostile like umuntu right for my friend ifamily yakhe host babiza ama host bona bamakhuluma so bebamphatha kahle bekasebenza kahle akade abantwana abayi2 salary was good so ufriend wawo bekhuluma nehost yakhe ukuthi you know what I've got a sister back home la uyafuna lo msebenzi enangawenza cause simple nje ubheka umntwana wanceda ngehomework you take them for a walk uba isemaphakeni lezi zinto ezinjalo abazali mabaya kuma restaurant unini abanibukela iside table la nihlala khona ukugada abantwana like kahle basically uba inene just ukuthi sebaye participants senini uthi hayi host akamtshela uthi okay kunomunye umama like esi ku book club naye so ngizomtshela if anyone interested ufuna umuntu then ngizokutshela ke uthi okay awushozi ngobe gore vele uyaya kulama groups wakhe afika akhulume nabo ngobomama kube nomunye umama vele naye umlungu athi no I'm interested nabantwana ba3 nami ngiyamfuna umuntu ozosebenza lo msebenzi umuntu wakho wenza okay sharp alright awushozi bangifonele bangiconnectele amaphepha everything ibe so 30 hayi vele ama visa abe so 30 kube ndawo ukuthi ngiyafly what awushozi I'm excited my first time gibela iflight my first time ngiba outside of the country first time futhi ngiyi10 yabona uthi hayi vele ngilende mangilenda vele ifriend ne host le yami engitholile vele ngisombisa fanele simbizi gabza so sithi host every day hayi ngeke ngikhona sithi uClara lo mama uClara yeah hayi ufriend noClara vele bazongicollect e-airport urashozi kube mnandi bangintroduce like kube sharp first night bangintroduce to the husband to the kids nokokwana khona kunogogo ohlala umlungu afela bavakashela uthi nogogo khona no problem first day mangifika how second day uClara uthi kimi uthi you know what thina before usebenza la fanga ukuthi ku medical examinations baho check emalwethi kawufela then cita la khani uzosebenza la uthi ngingabi nenkinga awushozi cause ke desperate ke batla mmereko ngabi nenkinga hayisahambe ke the following day ritsa maremo doctor uthi masifike doctor udoctor afike athi kimi athi uthi awushozi lapha yana like abantu abakhuluma English they are very few so you need to know the language yabo cause bona bakhuluma ilanguage yabo like when we as like the only thing with banki English and bona English abayibulele that much what awushozi ayibangithathe bangifike kule room bafike bathi ngikhumule ngibe nje or awushozi lo mama lo ongiqashile naye userumini uthi ngicela ukuthi ngimbuze udoctor ukuthi udoctor angibuza athi is it fine ukuthi umama lo abe khona erumini na or awushozi ke hane ke no it's not fine but umama angafuna ukuphuma athi akaphumi she wants to know ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani ngami health wise because of ngizabe ngihlala nabantwana bakhe or awushozi kisabal problem uthi bangicheke kwasani wena HIV bangicheke yonke into ekhona emhlabeni okugula bangicheke ayithola ukuthi hayi vele ngishapo ki healthy akena mathatha base bangicheke ne pregnancy ukuthi I'm not pregnant okay I was sharp masuka laphana awushozi umuntu angithathe sihambe siyodla angitshela ukuthi I need to learn the language imali ukuthi ngiattend ama classes kai utombhatela but ngizoya twice a week so ngizoya abantwana baba esikoleni mababuya need to be home immediately mangichuma angizisho ukuthi abantwana baba esikoleni bangithola ngisendlini okay sharp communication it okay sharp urashozi hayi sibele endlini masibele endlini kube ukuthi umama othi kimi like uthanda ukudla yabona like ukudla bakuthanda ukudla ngale urashozi steak is very expensive that side kahle into bayidla kaningi epork namazambane into vele abazithandayo yabona urashozi mina ngimtshela ukuthi like anything engizoyidla like angeke ngibe choose because of ngize ngumsebenzi. Uthi hayi umama ngitshela ukuthi fanele ngilindele yena ukuthi angiphakele, ngingaziphakeli, ngingathatha ifridge unless umntwana ufuna something efridge. So abantwana izinto bazidlayo mina fanele ukuthi ngazidli asiyezami, mina ngizodla makudla yena and yena uzongiphakela. So like kitsibe ke mlawa komuntu. But awusozi leya family lo mama loyana like I've never seen abelungu abalingimpi uthona le abelungu labo ngibasebenzile. Kodwa abantu bebayizintsha awusozi bebalimpia. Kodwa bebayizintsha bangafuni ukudla. Athi no problem awusozi I eat day 3 angiyavuka ekseni mangivuka I need to check ukuthi abantwana ba right. Mina umsebenzi wami mainly abantwana. Ngishaka ukuthi abantwana ba right, ama hairstyle right, abantwana bagcoka kahle, izincwadi zabo zipacked kahle, bathole lunch box, everything involve ingane like I should be there. Uthi okay then bahamba ke baya esikolweni. Mabuye esikolweni fanele ukuthi ngifike first thing bavulela ama izincwadi, senza ama homework. Kodwa awushozi nje ngwakhe khone ke riya ka Google naye ukhona umama phela esupervisor abona ukuthi ngidla ukuthi sharp na. And then ngapha ngiya-attend ama-class. But awushozi ngabi nenkinga. Umuntu awushozi ekseni akadli. Uyaphuma udiyala moya ngoteng ahathi angidli, angibambi ifridge. Usengisabana ukuthi bafaka ama-hidden camera. Or angibambi ifridge awushozi ngisiphuzela amanzi. Uthi umuntu obuya ngabo 1. Makabuya ngabo 1 ungenzela isandwich ene ham. Fela or awushozi just sandwich ena ham fela. And then ngizobe ngidli dinner entambama. Lokho kudliwa entambama yophakelwa uthi small portions awusho uthi ngifike ngi right nginomzimba omright. Or awushozi awukampona khona nokugombela tsijwa notlabolela urikalwala. Uthi okay sharp awushozi uthi onke lamalanga mangifika the husband beyangikhwendlini. Beyangikhwendlini ubuye nge day 5 yami. Husband bathi beka business trip beyangekho. Uthi nge-day 5 uhusband wafika hayi umama introduce kahle ngibani kwenzakala ngizowenza uthi ukhuluma ngeSdutch mina ngibezwa awushozi it's difficult for me to catch the language angibezwa fanele ukuthi every time angifuna ukukhuluma naye abantu sengibamba ifone so ngiyakhuluma then I translate ifone. Uthi okay ubaba akhulume vele aqede or awushozi ubaba ubuyeni kwakhe uqala izinkinga or awushozi kiduthi 2 weeks kabe ke ngiyabuyi 3 or 1 time mangilele uthi bengine room ngaphakathi endlini nabo li host. Uthi 1 time mangilele awusozi angavumelanga ukuthi ngikhe umnyango my own room. Akumelanga ukuthi ngene ebathroom. Angamelanga ukuthi ngene ebathroom ngikhe umnyango ngidirose jambe. Angikhi anywhere. Or awusozi 1 time ngilele lo baba lo vele wangena endlini wangitshela kahle ukuthi wafika wangena endlini wenza so. Or sayina or kiska scream. Or awushozi lo baba lo wafika wangigibela wanginyokubeza. Right inside endlini umama khona abantwana bakhona. Awushozi I didn't know how to react. Or like motholo akila dira dintshwa di rang konna asa nagana hore ke feel jwang. Ayenza whatever yenza waqeda. Or awushozi I didn't know how to tell the host ukuthi undoda yakhe ngenzeni. Indoda leceda lana yahamba yazi like yakonthuna ngelanga la yazela ekamereni to sleep mina ngasala ngikhamisile ngalendlini into ethelala lapha embedeni because I was so head out of shock engiceda nokufika labantu laba like angina even khwedikile mo kodira jwang. Uthi awushozi ngathi sathi ukuthi ngizothula ngavuka ngageza ngafika kayithobalela or awushozi isililo ngasilelo langa uthi isililo ngasilelo langa kanti lo muntu akazoqina lelo langa. Ara awushozi every time akathola chance bekayenza whatever yenza ngempilo yami or na dira whatever ibatlang or awusozi into ngizosubhlungu ukuthi I didn't even tell my friend what's going on because of ngifuna ukuthi ngizoba umthwalo lo muntu ngizamela umsebenzi ngapha jikithi sengiyafona futhi ngithi nginenkinga nalabantu labo like globa mrolo ha elena wona no uthusa kilikhwaleyo what if na iqinisa amusha la umsebenzi or awusozi ngithule kanjalo ngisho next or kweda ifeta bangibhatale labantu bangibhatale like imali esivumelane ngayiqaleni uthi bangibhatale kodwa maka angibhatala uthi ngibhatala ngecash angitransferele angiphe icash angiphe cash uthi lesa sikhathi sangiphile ayidonse athi leningi ngiyokudla or awusozi umbhatilisha lisho chekilisha ngapha indoda yakhe angiyokubeza or okay sharp or awusozi second month indoda vele ubanise yaqala vele siyenza kaningi indaba le. Each and every time abane conflict angezwa ukuna bakubane conflict sheshikitseba or otodla ka kamrenya ka andire whatever. What's awushozi vele lo baba lo beka create ama conflicts kaningi ngoba azokuthi ustoma out eroomini lakhe and then agijime angene eroomini lami. Ore awushozi I did this thing kufike la ukuthi nami sengiyadena hore motho ga gabotse botse ntwe ke ntwe dirang it's evil like into evil ayenza it's evil uyenza kimi like ngenhloso ke labona uthi vele nginqabe vele langa nginqabe vele makathuza kimi. Ore awushozi motho ke lambetha uthi umuntu wangishaya into ngisobuhlungu ukuthi wife wasagijima eroomini makabona ukuthi indoda yakhe angishaye wavele washaya wavala umnyango wajika. Ora awusoze umuntu ambethela roba lena. Ora awusoze umuntu ambetha ukuthi ungishaye waze wakhathala kethala wahamba waphinda wayolala. Ora awusoze the following morning ngivuka like nginama bruises ebusweni like ke purple momilo umbethile mona nambetha ngarobetha tsotsi. Ora awusoze ubaba lo makade uhamba ngitshele lo mama vele ngimrecordele ka phone ka translate ukuthi indoda yakho ngenze so I'm thinking of going to open a case and angishaya ngakuphela beka ngenza na 1 2 3 4 uthi ngichazele lo mama lo uthi lo mama alalele akatulalela anga respond I was just like ka utlwa bothoko mo ke bona motho ona ntsa itse re mona ha o nkirang mara ngasho uthi azange a respond wavele walalela wathula wanginikeza ifone wabe sewokhawe wahamba. Ora awushozi ke bona le indaba le ingangami makathi ngiyo attenda ama courses la uthi ngisnike out awushozi kinyake police station or kinyakulela umuntu case yabona uthi I didn't know igama la kababa I had to uthi ngishuthe ama documents ane igama lakhe even the address because I wasn't sure about the address yethu la ngihlala khona. Ora awushozi kitsama ukeke plus or one thing about being a foreigner in a foreign country it's difficult especially if umuntu omnyama uthi labantu laba abakuthathi serious. Or awushozi I went take a phone to translate what happened in uthi abantu laba they decided ukuthi bona bangithathe serious bangitshela ukuthi sipha ama number wala usebenza khona sizofona. Or awushozi babuletika language yabona babulela wabe solo mama uyafika mama makafika wabe sebayangikhomba vele ngihleli phansi bayangikhomba cha mama ngitshela ukuthi asambe. Or awushozi like ke scream I'm like this person mona ungirile so uthi lo mama wangibiza wathi asambe. Awushozi kabe kusingibela endlini la ngibuya khona. Or awushozi lo mama wathatha ifone wangirecordela wangitshela ukuthi if ever uzocontinue wenza izinto zenzayo wakuthi ngizoterminate everything you will need to go back home la ubuya khona. So it's up to you ukuthi you still want to be here or wena uyathula. Or awushozi ke bona uri musmuthe gabotse ekhondona indaba ukuthi lo baba la angenza into angenza yona. Or awushozi kithi say to let me tell my friend ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi atshele lo mlungu wakhe ukuthi akhona ukunginceda. Or awushozi ngifonele friend ngimtshela ukuthi hey mina ngihlangabezana nesigacelana le ndoda ingenza 1 2 3 4 5 yabona ifriend itshele lo mlungu lo sile ongiconnectena lo mlungu ukuthi ulo uthi acomplain kanti lo mama lo ngisebenza ku already sakafonele lo mlungu amtshela ukuthi ino intombazana lesiju sindoda yami in ufriend makatshela lo mlungu athi hey mina lo mlungu ngitshela ukuthi ifriend yakhe sejusa lo mlungu lo so it clearly shows ukuthi ubabhacebe ithuba lala. So now what's the problem? Or awushozi ngitshela friend ukuthi you know what if umlungu wakho sho kanjalo phuma endabeni zami I will find a way for me to go back home because I can see hore mo akishap. What awushozi I had to ukuthi ngincenge ngihlale lapho for another week because of I was trying to find a way for me to go back. Ulona recommend 3 uthi kule 3 months awushozi lo baba lona after sekangishayile after I went to the police station makabuya akusimuntu ovele angikhulumisayo wabona akusimuntu ongibulisayo angikhulumise vele wangidlula no mama lo awushozi antreat sharp asamfadisho ushuthi awushozi now I need to take the money bangiphe yona mina ngizithengele ukudla. Usisi uthi imali abanginikeza yona ngithatha ukuthi no ngizosithengela ukudla because umama akasangiphakeli mama akasangiphi next ngiphuza amanzi kuphela. So ngithatha ukuthi let me buy izinto at least ezongiphusha. Or awushozi one time ngisele nabantwana umama uye ku hair appointment makayi ku hair appointment lo baba uyasala endlini makasala endlini atshela abantwana vele ngilwa ngijakho ukuthi bahambe baye upstairs bayodlala. Uthi awushozi ngisala uthi mangisala lo baba lona avele angidonse ngesandla. Or awushozi anto sekaltsoho angise ko class ku basement thing uthi lo baba lo still a repeat lento yakhe ayenzile. Or awushozi ayidire into high ayidire acede uthi maketla na vele angibheke or awushozi anthwele kamari like anthwele kamari esivinga ke ukaka. uthi angikhafulele ngamathe qeda navele acazipile ibhuku lakhe akhuphuka bile emuva or awushozi nekirobethu kofathi uthi ngivuke ngisithathe ngihambe vele ngiyogeza cause like nami sengidisgusted uthi ngihambe vele ngiyogeza uthi mangaqeda ukugeza lana mama lo bakabuye ngimtshela ukuthi no what mina I've decided that I want to go back home, please help me ukuthi ngibile ekhaya. Angitshela athi yena lo muntu ongilethe ngapha kube uyazongisota out, so tonight I need to make sure ukuthi I move out from endlini yabo. Or awushozi angithi ngifokhaza ukuthi akena munga yangodeng or awushozi angitshela ukuthi I will help you pack. Uthi apake dilona tsaka kaofela apake izinto zami ibhekeni undoda the husband was there waiting for me at the door ukuthi ngiphume. Yabo? Or awushozi ngabe sengifonile ufriend ukuthi friend ngicela request angize lapho because of la ngiqoshiwe. Or awushozi I went to friend mangifika friend needs to explain phela kumlungu wakhe ukuthi ngidlele kama thing. Awushozi abe friend achazela umlungu wavuma ukuthi ngizola khona for 2 days. Awushozi after mokho umlungu lo uka friend wabe sothi ukuthi no what uyanginceda ukuthi ngiphindele emuva ngi-assista ngithenga ticket. Or awushozi ngabe sithi angithekela ticket. Urayi ngabe sekubuya kwami ngapha eMzansi. Ngibuya ngapha eMzansi awushozi amalanga amakaya yakhe basidudla like sengiyashintsha ngiba isidudla sengiyakhanya kakhulu. Uthi hayi ngisathi ukuthi no what let me buy a pregnancy test because of I wasn't bengasikuphilisi bengasikunexi mangihamba ngale because of kids work akho akena motho ngasidiresela. Or awushozi I later find out ukuthi I'm pregnant. Ke bolelwe na so ke na le ngwana wa lekhuwa ana papa hayi ngwanaka. Na ngwana wa lekhuwa mangbatshela lana South Africa what really happened, nobody believes me, even my family I believe. Pampotso ke tsamaile mo ke lo khosha ka kwa ona no ke bile ngwana le khoa ke tlo rena ba nyokubeza what. Or awushozi I'm telling you my story because of ke batla gore go be awareness go the next girl, especially umuntu omna 19 20 to 21 bafuna le minyaka la bafuna abantu abadala, they want to take advantage of amantombazana. Or awushozi especially as black people basibona ngathi sizinto zokusetshenziswa. Just imagine ukuthi umuntu akidlengule ngaphakathi kwakhe endlini nomfazi azi ukuthi bakwenzani but angaka-assist. Even if you went to the police station banga-assist because of you are a foreign national and in a foreign country. Or awushozi ke utlwa bothoko nonguthi baningi abantu abafana nami kule simo lesi abangakhona ukukhuluma. Because I'm not the first person but what the host family but jwang, especially if the men are evil ufuna ukutesta umuntu omnyama, they do that to you because of our namuka chabela ngoteng. So this I bring awareness go banyana ba bangata gore the minute ba ofara lo msebenzi iba nemali ukuthi khona ukuzithengela i-return ticket idabrano gore if ever ziyashuba yakhona ukubooka out hotel ohlala khona because now I didn't have anything. Child bamfaka nekreka ndisho enokudla kwangale ku very expensive. Hey, kina saza Shamstin. Cabanga being a young beautiful woman usho ukuthi ulevel like greener pastures ufike ngalena bakusebenzisa bakwenza umahosha. Umahosha ungakhokhelwa, umahosha ungaphiwa ukudla but they expect you to sebenza ukade abantwana babo. Mara wayabelungu basonda so vele. Sure. Hi bye guys.